Hey there. Today, I've got a quick and easy tutorial for you on how to deactivate your Messenger account. Let's get started. To begin with, open your Messenger app on your device. Once you're in the app, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, and then select the gear icon to open up the settings. Now, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on See More in the Account Center. We need to access the Account Center to proceed. In the Account Center, tap on Personal Details, then Account Ownership and Control, and finally, Deactivation or Deletion. Here's the crucial step. You won't find Messenger listed here because, to deactivate Messenger, you first need to deactivate your Facebook account. Simply tap on your Facebook profile. Then select Deactivate Account. The Deactivate Account feature is selected by default. Click Continue and then click on the Continue and you'll be prompted to enter your Facebook password. After entering your password, choose any reason from the list, and then click on the Continue. Now, at the bottom, tap on the Deactivate My Account, and your account will be deactivated. Remember, you can reactivate your account anytime through the Account Center or by logging into your Facebook account using your email or phone number and password. And that's it. You've successfully deactivated your Messenger account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.